Hey, what's up, guys? Just got a delivery from UPS. Sorry, it's been a pretty quiet day today. It's like 4:30 right now. Anyway, UPS came and dropped off a package. Finally, adulting right. Got a couple smoke alarms. Finally gonna install those and, you know, make our house safe. They're just simple $12 little smoke alarms. And I got a couple, one for the bedroom and one for the kitchen. Something I forgot to tell you guys about yesterday was we went to Walmart to pick up a couple things for Sandra, and when we were there, found one of these bad boys. Actually, a pair of them. Super Nintendo Classic. I'm pretty excited. It's got all my favorite games when I was a kid on there, and I've been playing it and having a lot of fun. Like I said, I picked up a pair of them. So if you know anyone who's interested, I've got it up on my eBay. ebay.com/snachodog. Feel free to make me an offer or whatever and have a, you know, fun Christmas with the Super Nintendo. And voila, we have one smoke alarm here installed in the kitchen and the other one's installed in our bedroom. So if smoke ever happens, that we'll be aware. We've lived here like, oh, let's see, this must be year 3 and finally have them installed. I know I'm going to sleep easier at night, and I'm going to set an alarm and a reminder on my phone and Alexa's and Google Home and all that just to remind me to check it, like, you know, check the battery every 6 months and test it once a week. So be safe.
Okay, for dinner tonight, Steve's going to have steak because steak. Lowry's, we buy a big bucket, so I put it in one of these little containers you buy at the grocery store. Season both sides with your choice of seasoning salts. This is a T-bone from our local grocery store that has pretty good meat and it's good quality, decent price, and we're pretty happy with it. So, season both sides, and now we're going to put it in a hot skillet. Hot butter in a pan. We're going to put the steak in there as soon as that butter is melted. So, hot skillet on right below high, and this is a cast iron skillet so it can get nice and hot. Drop the steak in there, and then we're going to cover. And timer, 2 minutes aside. So, 2 minutes, don't touch it, don't mess with it, just let it cook. Alright, 2 minutes has passed. I put some butter on it at 30 seconds slow, and I had 30 seconds left on this before this flip, so it would melt a little. We'd have a little more butter underneath. See, good sear. Cover it up. Another 2 minutes. Let it cook. Okay, 2 more minutes is passed. Steak is done. We're going to carefully, not to burn ourselves, take it out of the pan. So the steak cooked for 2 more minutes, and then we took it out of the pan. And here it is on the plate, resting for 5 minutes. You want to give your steak some time to rest, because if you cut it now, you're going to burn yourself, and or all the juice is going to come out, and it's going to look yucky on your plate, and that's just not very appetizing. So let it rest, because that's what you're supposed to do. Happy steak. Clean her up without a full bath. There you go, Fluffernutter. Oh, I know it's terrible. We got new soap, and she's not really a fan of the way it smells. It smells like cloves and... What would you say? Cloves and...
Toothpaste.
It does smell a little like toothpaste. It's not great. It doesn't smell bad on her, but it's not a great smell for the whole house. And I don't want to give her a full bath, so we're going to try to give her a little sponge bath. Because it seems like she's always getting into something. It's just her way. She's a curious little mutt. And so, oh, good girl.
Might be in her eyes.
It's not. I have my hand there. She's licking my hand a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna rinse. Some nice clean water now. Oh, good girl. Put the towel a little more around her. Okay. Good, Lassie. Lassie has never liked a bath first bath. We watched all the videos about how to make her like it, and it just was exactly as horrible as you imagine it was. She cried and scratched, and she just hated it. She doesn't seem to hate this as much as she does her actual
Yeah, she does.
bath.
She's shivering.
Oh, poor Blubby.
I don't think you're getting the soap out. I think you're just rubbing it in, to be honest.
I'm not. I can see it in the water, so. Okay. That'll do. Good girl. There she is. Hey, thanks, Lassie. There. You a good girl? Yeah, say you didn't do a very good job getting me dry. She's a very patient corgi, right up to the point where she's not patient and then she's just gonna bolt. Okay, there you go. Thank you.
You should explain Yip Yip.
So I use Yip Yip to get them to go up on things.
Including you.
Including me.
And the couch.
And the couch.
And the bed.
And the bed. And into the car. And it's Yip Yip from Avatar Last Airbender because that's how Aang makes Appa fly. And I loved that. And we watched those shows right before we got Lassie. So Yip Yip means up, up. The end.
It's a vlog, you don't have to say the end.
The end! Ta-da!
Sandra doesn't like awkward silences.